What's good, YouTube? We are back. Day 2 of the madness that is the 997 suspension overhaul. So I'm on the rear end, what I actually did, and I'll show you guys now. So far, so I lowered the car down on the quick jacks, and I'm just pretty much going to work at this level because the rears require a lot of added pressure from a floor jack in order to, remove and tighten and all that stuff. The control arms and the coilovers. So I've already taken the bolts off the top of the coilover. So essentially I just gotta start loosening all these damn control arms. There's so many in the rear. It's crazy. But so yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. Here's the rear coilover. And then after that, I have to still go back and tighten up everything on the front end. So pit pressure or floor jack load on that so that I can tighten things at ride height. And then I also have my rear sway bar, which will be replacing the OEM thin sway bar. So should be pretty cool. And yeah, got my helper here. She's just judging me as I work. So, but yeah, let's fuck shit up and try not to hurt my hands. The Lego 18.
The wrench?
18, no, the socket. That's it.
Okay.
Alright, so you guys can see, this is the old bushing here. Lots of wiggle there. I don't think these things this car has almost 100,000 miles on it. Or it has 100,000 miles on it. I don't think these will change at all. So it's a little bit more solid. So that's what you want. This what you don't want. It's like an old kneecap.
Love the analogy.
Alright. Alright, so what I'm doing now is essentially just loosening up everything. Even as you start to loosen up things, it starts to drop. So these are all like 1816s, 1816, 1816, blah, blah, blah. Already did that. So what I have to do now is put a jack under here, raise it up, and then from there, take these top bolts off, unbolt the bottom bolts there for the coilovers, and then pull it up out of the way. So that's pretty much it. My daughter's bringing the jack because she heard me say I needed it. So that's what you want from a great helper slash daughter. She's slowly bringing it over. Yep. Got action. We got action. Easy. Alright, I almost forgot this sensor here. I think it's another. Check these. I did make it look good. Tell everybody what you seen here today. All right, now sway bar, switcheroos, T30 socket, and then I forgot what that, maybe a 16. And then just take the end links off, switch them over, get your grease inside of here, throw that on there, and then slap this bad boy up. I'm gonna put it on the medium setting. That's the recommended setting for like street performance or whatever. So there's three holes. This is the like oversteer pretty much. This is for street, and this is the Spermis. So for if you have a dedicated track car, so that'd be that. But yeah, let's go and knock this out. All right, that is it for today. So I've done all new control arms front and rear. Just tighten everything down to spec. I haven't tried to see what the height is just yet, but it's all good. I'll figure that out. Still got to do the tie rods. Maybe. I'll put the back seat together. What else? Then I got to do oil change, spark plugs, all that stuff. So I'm tired, but all of the day's work, day 2, in the books, good to go. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big shout outs to my daughter for the camera work. And yeah, very happy with it so far. Hopefully, I think another day or 2, I should have this thing on the ground and rolling around all crazy. So yeah, that's it for today. Catch you guys in the next one. Keep being great. Peace.